Canon EOS M6 unboxing. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. It will help keep the channel going. The box contains the Canon limited warranty. At the same time, it is the registration card. It has a caution card for the neck strap, a manual in 3 languages, English, Spanish, and French, and a Canon online photo album card to help you register online. This is a neck strap. It's of good quality. It is thick, so it won't hurt the neck. This is a battery charger. And this is the battery that comes well covered. The battery snaps in the charger very easily, and the charging time is approximately an hour. This is the camera body. It is well packaged in a bubble wrap. The camera feels very good in the hands. It feels very well made and of high quality. This is where the lens goes. It's protected. This is where the battery goes and the SD card. The HDMI input and the remote shutter release. This is a micro USB and the external microphone input. The screen feels very good made, and it swivels up to 180 degrees on the top of the camera. This camera kit comes with a lens of 15-45 millimeters. It's also well protected, and this is a small lens. The lenses for the mirrorless cameras are usually small, and this EOS M6 is a mirrorless camera. This is the lens protection, and this is where the lens goes in the camera body. To put the lens on, simply align the white dot and turn it clockwise, and it will snap right on. The flash is adjustable with your hand if you want to use a bounce flash. This is a hot shoe, and it is well protected. To release the lens, as you see on the screen on the top left, you should press this lever and the lens will be released. And to also put the lens back, press the same lever. The neck strap installs easily on the camera. It is protected, so you should release the protection and then insert it where it should be inserted. And it's very important that after you insert both sides of the neck strap, that you slide down the protection as you see on the upper left corner of the screen. This is to prevent the camera from sliding out of the neck strap. This camera takes an SD card I'm installing here on the bottom the SD card goes. This is a 16 gig SD card and the battery. Turning on the camera for the first time. And it's asking to be set up, date and time, and so on. This was the unboxing of the Canon EOS M6. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.